All right, so we're going to take a look here at the mind map. So again, this is very similar to the worksheet, but it's just laying out the information, that goal that we have established for the 12-week period, in addition to the different tactics that we are going to take. But it's, more in a visual representation, but this is basically what it looks like. So you would want to, state what your goal is here. And then in each of these circles is the high level action that you're going to focus on to reach that goal. So you have with that other example we used, working on your branding documents, improving it. That would be tactic one. For my client, for tactic two, the other one was, improving or understanding and maximizing her networking, connections, and just, learning how she could better improve and use them in her job search strategy. I find that using all three of these documents, the mind map is great if you are hanging it up, say like in your office, or something where you can see it regularly just for reinforcement. And then if you prefer like the checking off the list stuff, that's something that you can do, on your laptop or in your notebook, something like that. It's just a really helpful way to see the information presented and keep you reminded of it.